Welcome to Cat Station. Today we are going to draw these model or part. It is drawn in inches. I am asking you to stop or pause the tutorial and ask yourself how to draw these. Then follow my steps. I am going to draw a new part. It is in inches as here is mentioned, so I am going to draw in IPS system. I am going to select top plane, sketch. I have to draw 80 20 plus 20 is 80 20 100 120 120 by how much is it 120 by 80 center rectangle dimension 120 by it's 80. Okay, it is extruded up to 15, so simple, go to features, extrude up to 15. Okay, now you can see it is extruded. Now you have to draw these U-shaped, so 50, it is 50, so select this face, sketch, control 8, it is 20, so corner rectangle from this edge to this line, and it is 20. Okay, simple. You have to extrude up to 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus. Where is the dimension? 50 plus is 60. 50 plus 30 means 80. We have to extrude it up to 80. Okay, now same procedure for fillet. Select this face, select this upper face, select these, and okay, now select these, control 8. You have to sketch a simple sketch circle. You have to draw a circle of 32 dia. Find the center point, dimension, smart dimension, it's 32. Okay, now features, extruded cut. Okay, now you can see it's done. You can mirror, select the plane, which plane you can use, right plane, features, extrude, fillet. Okay, it's done. Okay, failed to a copy, so again go to mirror. First of all, plane, right plane, extruded was why it's showing. Now select extrude was, fillet, and chamfer, extruded cut. Okay, now it's done. You can see this is the bottom side. Now you have to extrude these. So first of all, select this face, control 8, and sketch. Now you can see you have to draw 1 circle, 2 circle, and 3 circles. Circle from origin, 1 circle, 2 circle, and 3 circle. Now first die is 30 60, and furthermore 30 60 and 80. 30 60 and 80, smart dimension 30 60 is dies 80. 30 60 and 80 is it 30 60 and 80. Now You have to extrude it up to 20. So features, extrude. You have to select contour, this contour up to 20. Okay. Furthermore, uh, sketch, show, select this circle and extrude cut. You can see it's going to be cut. Okay, hide this sketch. Now you can see it's done. Yeah, it's done. Simply you can change its appearance. Okay, select this, select this, select this and click on appearance and simply okay. Now or you can select this and appearance. Okay, it's done. You can see this is a very simple tutorial. We have done we firstly we draw on top plane, then we extrude this u-shaped part, we extrude cut this hole and then mirror this whole part on the left hand side, then we draw 3 circles on this upper face and extrude wash base. We use extrude wash base for extruding it and then we use extrude cut to cut this hole. This is a very simple tutorial. If further if you have any problem then you can ask me. If you like the tutorial then like the tutorial, share to your friends and also subscribe to Caddy Station. Thank you.